Sue and I just got done grinding this garage floor. Kind of hard to see with the sunlight. We spent 6 hours grinding this floor. It was really bad. And today we got to fill all these pit marks, as you can see. But there was a lot of high spots we had to take out, which you can't see right now because we took them all out and kind of leveled it where all the bad spots were. So interesting. This floor was still in real bad shape, as you can see with the pit marks, but we're going to turn it into a brand new floor. Stay tuned. We're also cutting out these cracks on the apron, and we're going to be stitching rebar into them. We'll keep you posted on that also.